If you are practicing SQL with manually created tables, you are missing real-world scenarios. In this video, we will install AdventureWorks and set up a professional sample database. Let's search the AdventureWorks dataset in Google. Click on the first link. So what is AdventureWorks? AdventureWorks is Microsoft sample database used for learning SQL and practicing realistic business data. To restore it, first we need to download the backup file. Scroll down, go to download backup files, download this one, .bak file. Save it. Cut this or copy this file. Go to C drive, program files, your Microsoft SQL Server folder, the latest version of your SQL Server, MS SQL backup. So this is the place where you need to paste the file that you have downloaded. Now open the SQL Server Management Studio. If you see, there are currently no databases. Now, since we have backup file, we need to restore it. So go to restore database, right click, restore database. We have a file in our device, so we'll restore it from a device. Click on the three dots, add, select the file name, okay. You verify the backup file, check. Now click OK again. It will start installing the backup file. So we get the message database restored successful. Okay. See, we have a database over here. Now we will check the tables to verify if the installation has completed successfully. See, we have dim tables and fact tables. We can just run a select query on any of the tables. Let's say we do it for dim customer. See, so now the AdventureWorks sample database has been installed successfully. You can use it for practicing joins, Windows functions, stored procedures, and real-world SQL scenarios.